This is the laziest way to get your 4,000 watch hours if you are a small content creator on YouTube. Now, this particular approach, though very lazy, but it is a smart way of getting that 4,000 watch hours that many creators are craving for, are actually putting in the work to get. This one, if you apply it, you're going to get it in record time. And it is not for people who are serious, who want to go through the normal procedures of creating content and then waiting for the algorithm to share their videos, recommend for them to get the 4K watch hours. But this one is pretty much like a fast track method where you can use to get your 4,000 watch hours. And I must warn you that you must be someone, or you must be a channel with 50 subscribers and above. The reason is that this particular approach involves going live on your channel, and you know that per the YouTube rules, you have to get 50 subscribers and above before you can activate the live session on your channel. Mind you, it is not automatic that once you get the 50 subscribers, automatically YouTube is going to open the live session for you. No, you would have to set a few things up in some cases, or as you reach that mark, they open it for you just so you can be able to go live on your channel. So this one, you'll be sleeping and then the 4,000 watch hours will come in. So wait, let me walk you through this particular live session that we are going to use. See you at the end of this video. Hi content creators, my name is the Virtual Giant, and on this channel I share with you my experiences, my strategies that I use to grow my channel and other channels that I have on this particular YouTube platform. So if you're interested in learning how to grow your YouTube platform, get subscribers, your 4K watch hours, then this should be your favorite channel to get all those juicy stuff from. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so we get to grow and then impact a lot of creators on this particular platform. This particular live streaming approach we're going to use to get our 4,000 watch hours doesn't require the services of a third party streaming app. For example, you know that there is a Restream, there is the live stream, there is a lot of OBS and a lot of third party streaming apps that you can use to go live on your channel, which will also get you the 4K watch hours. At this time around, we're not going through the stress of downloading either the cracked version or the mod version of apps just so to be able to go live on our channels. This one, we need only two things, and these things are your content, whatever you wish to stream live on your channel. Sometimes it can be even a picture. You see several channels, put puzzles on their channel or trivias and things like that with just a picture, and they will be live streaming. So you ask yourself, how are these people able to do it? Because when you try live streaming, it will open your camera and then you would have no option than to show your face here. But this one, it is pretty much like faceless, where you can even stream a picture and then other videos. So these are the things you need: your picture, your video, whatever you want to stream. And then you are going to need the YouTube app. So basically, these two, nothing more, nothing less. Now, I'm going to share with you a screen recording of the process so that you follow and then implement it on your channel. So stay tuned. So first things first, open your YouTube app, tap on the plus sign at the bottom of the YouTube app, and options will display where you have either short video, post, and stuff like that. And then you have live. So that is what you are going to select.
So once you are brought to this page, what you do is to tap on the pencil icon against your channel name. So you tap on it, and then you are brought to this page. Here is where you type in your titles, etc. Change the thumbnail if you have already designed one. So let's assume that we want to update our thumbnail. So we just tap on the pencil icon showing at the top left corner. If you have already designed your thumbnail, you choose upload thumbnail. If not, you want to take any picture, random picture, and use it, you select take thumbnail. But in my case, let's assume that I've already designed my thumbnail. So what I'll do is to choose the second option, which is upload thumbnail. So let's assume this is the thumbnail I want to use. I tap on it and then tap save. So you see that it is showing here, and then I want to change the title of my content. This is the title I've chosen: Lazy Way to Get 4K Watch Hours. You may as well want to change the description. Either way, it is okay. Here is where the game changer is. What you do here is to turn on screencast, then select next. Once again, you may select next and tap on got it.
At this point, I cannot use the same phone to do the screen recording and stuff. So I had to change phones. That is how come you are seeing it this way. So the next step you're going to take is to tap on start now. And once you tap on start now, this is what you'll be presented with. So what you do is you are pretty much done, but there is a situation. Sometimes external noise may interfere in whatever you are streaming. So what you have to do is to tap on the microphone icon you see at the top, just so you mute every other outside noise except for whatever you wish to stream. So you scroll and then go to maybe where your video is or where that particular content you wish to stream is. So sometimes I advise that you don't play directly from your gallery. You can get a player which can play that video and will be able, you can set the video to repeat. Do you understand? So that as it plays and then gets to the end, it will restart. And in that case, you might be sleeping, you might be doing other things, but your video will be rolling and people will be watching, streaming live on your channel, which is going to fetch you that 4,000 watch hours. So let me do a quick demonstration. I use a certain player called MX Player. So once you're here and then you want to select the video, you can, scroll through wherever or whichever folder that is containing your video. In the event that you cannot access certain part of your phone because of what is showing there, all you have to do is to tap on your channel icon here. So you tap on it and then you see that those things have disappeared. So you can get access to icons and stuff that are somewhere above or on top of your phone. So in my case, I have my videos in camera, so I select it and then you see that this video, assuming that is what I wish to stream, so I select that one. Let me pause it for now. I have selected that one. So if you look here, you can see that I have set the um, video to repeat. So what it means is that this particular video, as you play, this is what will be showing or streaming live on your channel. So you just have to put the phone somewhere without any interference and then do whatever you are doing, and this will be showing on your channel. Now, having done all these things, you need to bring back these icons and then tap on go live, because that is the ultimate. Once you tap on go live like this, there will be a countdown from 3 to 1 and everything else will be set. So as we speak, this particular video is live on my channel. All I have to do is to play the video, and then every subscriber, everyone who chances upon the video is seeing it live on my channel.